What is a poem? A poem is a funny thing, a sticky ball of language that's tricky on the surface when you try to understand it. Sometimes they're funny, or they're sad, or like a game or a puzzle to explore, but they're never quite the same in how they're written. And to me, it seems absurd to say a poem must be this or that. One thing that I've learned is the differences in poems that I've read or that I've heard are what I love. To me, they're just a chance to play with words. And what is it for you that makes a poem sound exciting? What are the techniques you want to pack into your writing? Perhaps some repetition that the reader can delight in, or perhaps like me, you write things that are flowing and they're rhyming, or perhaps you'll tell a story. Perhaps there'll be a message or similes, metaphors, the use of a perspective. Perhaps something just sounds cool or funny or expressive. And when you make the words work hard, well, that's what is poetic. And when you are poetic, your poem can be smashing. No limits to its being except what you can imagine. You reckon you could write one? I bet you could. I know it. And once you've given it a go, congrats. You are a poet.